What's up, guys? Want to do a quick naked trades alert. Got some interesting, or I should say, scary inflation data this morning. Um, we all expected inflation to be high, but CPI data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics was released today, and quite frankly, we are hitting the highest inflation we've seen in 40 years. This is not the not the best news to wake up to this morning. More specifically, data from the BLS has inflation at 7.5% for the month of January. This is an increase from last month, December 2021, and it's the fastest increase month over month since 1982. Pretty much the data is showing that prices are increasing across the board. We're literally talking about everything: food, cars, semiconductors, smartphones, all your related technologies to those areas, clothes, um, basic materials, houses, rents going up, gas is going up, water is going up. I even just read locally here in the Baltimore, Washington area. So really, the impact is grand. The markets on the day have opened in the red, except for the Russell, but that's just a technical bounce back due to the fact that that particular index has been so depressed. What's interesting is gold is in the red, as well as Bitcoin. I think we may have a race to a minor gain to see which argument is your better hedge for inflation. Um, Kind of pans out today as we have this new data. I myself am in crypto's the better hedge for inflation camp. Of course, there's a lot of gold bugs that would argue completely opposite of what I would argue in favor of crypto. They would argue against crypto. But today's a great day to test our contrarian theories. So if you're a gold bug, let me know why you think I'll be wrong. If you're a crypto bug, let me know why you think you'll be right. And hopefully we can say I told you so to those gold bugs. But long story short, inflation is super high. It's going to further roil the markets. The VIX is up, which is good for some trades that we made on the VIX. But those specifically went out to my naked trade subscribers, the beta testers for this new service. So that's a limited selection trade. We can talk more about that once we close it out and see how we do. That said, um, there's really not too much more to talk about other than inflation is really impacting markets this morning. Other areas that we might look at, um, we could look at consumer staples. I don't want to look at cyclical consumer products or luxury brands um, because I think those are um, going to feel the pressures on margins and the reduction in demand first. I think inflation overall is going to put a lot of pressure on consumer demand. We have a lot of household debt still. In fact, I think it grew by 1 trillion last year, if I read the Reuters article correctly yesterday. Um, so yeah, it's just not a real good situation. Prep your powder, be nimble, trade, don't invest around this action, which is perfect for us naked traders. And yeah, we'll talk again soon. That's kind of the climate we're in as we gear up to have a 2 more days of trading in the week. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe below or follow below. And we'll talk again soon.